Hello, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how to fix the step 2 error. So in this video the problem is that your Adsense account is partially created. As you can see there is a step 2 error and there is a setup Google Adsense. So there is a fix option also. When you click on the fix option, there should open a two option that you are supposed to be choose. Either you have a existing account or you are supposed to choose new account, but in this error you are automatically redirected to the Adsense account. So there is no option of choosing next Adsense account, and when you move to the Adsense account, say okay, like have a look over it. So this is the Adsense account, and when you goes to the payment and account details or information, so you can look over there. The account is already opened, but you cannot see the dashboard. Okay, have a look here. This channel was provided me by one of the viewer from my channel, and she was from Turkey and she was trying these things for 2 months. So today I am going to fix this error. So as you see there is a status open, so it means that your Adsense account is already open, but there is no any dashboard or earning review, or in the YouTube monetization there is no approved of Adsense account. So let's move how can we fix this error. So okay, we'll move to the account. You can see there the Adsense status is open. I'm gonna closing this Adsense account, so you can see the error. Our engineer are trying to fix this error. It means that you cannot close this Adsense account. So there is only option is to fix this Adsense account and linked with the Google account. And when your Adsense account is created, you can add URL also. So I have tried that also. So let's move to add some URL. Okay, I'm adding the site option over here. So okay, here is a site. So I'm adding a YouTube channel URL. So I'm taking the channel info and copying the channel things and pasting here. Okay, when I save and continue, it said that you need host redirection for this Adsense. So you have to add these things in the Google, or it is automatically redirected by the YouTube page. So here we'll move to the Adsense. So here you can see all the things in Adsense are unlocked, but only the dashboard is not over here. So I'm gonna fix this error. So let's begin. So in these things you can clearly see that there is a problem with the payment details over here. So I'm adding the payment detail to the channel. So after adding the payment detail to the channel, the Adsense account will be fixed, or it will send a next error option, and we can link to the another Adsense account, or we can create a new Adsense account. for this. So first, for adding your payment information, you should check the information correctly to the Google. You can check your zip postal code, address, one, and city, and you can choose the option. So when you choose this correct option, your account will be created.